Hi teachers, this is a video just to let you know how to go in and score your student extended responses on your benchmark assessment. If you go into Performance Matters and click on Tests, you'll come down here to Online Scoring and you'll have the opportunity to select your assessment. So let's say I'm going to score my 6th grade English benchmark. And then I'm going to have the opportunity to score each of my students' work. So this is a student that I have looked at. So if we look at this student's work on the right-hand side, you're going to see the question. It has the passage, and then it has the question, the student's response is in the box, and then the answer right there. For the short constructed response, it just gives you the 2-point rubric that you'll look through and grade your student's response based on that rubric. And then when you come over here, go to the drop down and click in on the score. And then if you touch the next question, the response will pop up over here. The last question on each assessment was the essay question. So this one, the student had to look through 4 sources of nuclear energy and write an argumentative essay about that. So here's the student's response. And I go through, I met with some colleagues and we reviewed the rubric. We discussed what this would score and talked it through, compared it maybe with the answer option there. The rubric is right here underneath. It's a 4-point and then a 3-point to be added together for 6th grade. 6th, 7th, 8th, and 9th grade were all a 7-point rubric, and then 11th grade was a 4-point rubric. And then I would go over here and give it 2 scores. The 0 to 3 option is the language and conventions, which she had very strong, and the 0 to 4 option was the ideas, evidence, and organization, which she was strong also. So goes right there, and I put my scores in, and then it's going to go ahead and save that for me, and then I can go to my next student. If I wanted to choose to score it by item, all my students would pop up, and then I would go through and it would be scoring this item right here, 18, and then I would just be entering those in. Like if I had looked at their responses and written them down in my grade book, I could just go in and populate those fields by the students' names, just by the item. And that was just switched over with that little tab right there. Okay, I hope that's helpful for you. Scores are due to be into Performance Matters by December 1st. Thank you.